Hi, Shirley here. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to discuss about creating your bedroom to be your relaxation station. After all, it's time to make your life easier. Let's dive in, starting with different visual styles for your bedroom, because everybody's going to resonate differently. Today we're going to transform your bedroom into a tranquil oasis, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you some simple hacks of how to do this. These are all lovely shots, different bedrooms. Here's how. You've got to declutter. Straighten up your scene. Adjust your lighting. There's so many different lighting scenarios you can do. Pamper yourself. Self-care isn't a bit selfish. This is your maintenance, people. Get some new bed linen. Splurge. Go out and buy something nice that you resonate to right now at this point in your life. And my goodness, if you followed me, you'll know how much I am in aromatherapy. Angel, maven. I love it. The aromatherapy is just unbelievable. When you get a chance from time to time, I do recommend flowers. How gorgeous are they? They are my friends. It goes without saying to add music. Oh, for me, it is relaxing music for sure. And a comfortable bed. Sometimes you can't go out and splurge on a big fancy new mattress, but at least make it as best as you can. Maybe you buy some top cover for your mattress in the meantime. But here's the things to omit from your bedroom. Absolutely no visible workspace. People, no mobile phones. I don't have it in my bedroom. I haven't done this in decades. No television at all. Or exercise equipment. These are all to be left out. And I know you got this. You got this. You can do this. You will feel so rejuvenated. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I'd be so happy to have you come back. And anytime you want to create your bedroom oasis and need a few tips from me and ideas, go into my website and there's a way to contact me there, and also we'll list it below. Sending my love and light.